Hello everyone. We're back with another exciting video. Today, we're unboxing the Wipro Smart Indoor Wi-Fi camera. Join us as we guide you through installing the memory card, setting up internet connectivity, configuring the Wipro Next Smart Home mobile app, and adjusting the recording settings for optimal performance. Let's dive in. First, let's unwrap the package to see what's inside. This camera is designed for 24/7 live monitoring, so you can always stay connected with your loved ones. You'll receive instant notifications whenever motion is detected, thanks to its AI-powered technology. Plus, you can easily control the camera using Alexa or Google Assistant, making it a seamless part of your smart home. The Wipro camera not only records video but also allows you to save those precious moments directly onto a microSD card, up to 128 gigabytes, so you can effortlessly store and access your recordings without worrying about cloud fees. And let's not forget about its two-way communication feature. With a built-in microphone, you can talk to your loved ones, ensuring that staying connected has never been easier, no matter where you are. With its 360 degrees panorama capability and infrared night vision, this camera provides comprehensive coverage, eliminating blind spots and ensuring you're protected at all times. So, if you're looking for a robust security solution that combines advanced technology with ease of use, stick around as we explore everything the Wipro Smart Wireless Security CCTV camera has to offer. Let's begin with installing the memory card setup. First, power off your camera. This is crucial to prevent any potential damage to both the camera and your microSD card during the installation or removal process. It only takes a moment, but this small step can save you a lot of trouble later on. The microSD card slots are conveniently located at the top of the rotating lens. Let's take a closer look at how to access them. First, gently lift the camera lens upward to reveal the inner components of the device. You'll notice icons indicating the card slot, clearly showing their purpose and the direction in which to insert the card. Now, let's focus on inserting the memory card. Make sure you're using a high-quality microSD card, as this camera supports cards up to 128 gigabytes. This storage capacity provides ample space for extended recording durations, making it perfect for all your surveillance needs, whether residential or commercial. As you insert the memory card, ensure it fits snugly into the slot. Press it in until you hear a click, indicating it's securely in place. If you ever need to remove it, simply press gently again, and it should pop out effortlessly. Once the card is securely in place, double-check that it's seated correctly. This step is essential to prevent any data loss or recording errors down the line. We're almost done. The next step is to connect the provided DC power adapter to your camera and turn it on. And just like that, you're ready to start using your camera for all your surveillance needs. To power your Wipro Smart Wireless Security CCTV camera, simply connect the provided USB cable to the DC power adapter, and plug it into a wall outlet. A handy tip is that you can also use a mobile power bank to power the camera, which is especially useful during power outages, ensuring that you maintain uninterrupted surveillance even when there are disruptions in your regular power supply. This versatility allows you to keep your camera operational and your home secure, no matter the circumstances. Once the camera is plugged in, it initiates its startup sequence, beginning with a single rotation of the PT lens to indicate that the device is powering on. You'll initially see a blue light illuminate, accompanied by a welcoming voice prompt, signaling that the camera is in the booting process. During this phase, internal systems are activated and tested to ensure everything is functioning properly before the camera becomes fully operational.
Camera start.
This self-check helps guarantee that you're set up for optimal performance once the camera is ready for use. As the booting process nears completion, you'll notice the blue light blinking rapidly, accompanied by a voice prompt indicating that the camera is ready to connect to your Wi-Fi network. At this stage, you can proceed to set up the camera by using the corresponding mobile app,
Please configure network,
allowing you to configure all settings and ensure you're fully prepared to utilize its features effectively. To download and install the Wipro Next Smart Home app, you have two easy options. Scan the QR code provided in the user manual or head to the Play Store on your smartphone or tablet. In the search bar at the top, type Wipro Next Smart Home, and make sure to select the version developed by Wipro Enterprise Private Ltd from the search results. Once you find the app, tap on it to open its page, then click the Install button and accept any permissions if prompted. The download process will start, and installation will proceed automatically once the download is complete. The entire process usually takes just a few minutes. After installation, you can either tap Open to launch the app directly or find the app icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. When you open the app for the first time, you'll be prompted to select your region. It's important to choose your correct country for optimal performance and connectivity with local servers. Once these steps are completed, the Wipro Next Smart Home app will be ready for use with your Wipro camera, allowing you to access all its features seamlessly. To use the Wipro Next Smart Home app and your camera securely, you'll need to create a user account. If you already have one, simply log in with your email address. For new users, enter your email and click Sign Up. After receiving a verification code in your email, return to the app to confirm it and create a strong password. Your camera settings conveniently. In this demo, we'll use our existing Wipro Next Smart Home account. The app may also prompt you to enable notifications for camera alerts, such as motion and human detection. By enabling these notifications, you'll stay informed about any activity, ensuring you are updated on movements or events occurring in the monitored area. To add the camera in the Wipro Next app, look for the option labeled Add Device or the plus symbol, typically found on the home screen or in the device management section. Tapping this option will direct you to a menu where you can select the type of device you want to add. Choose Add Manually and select the Smart Camera option from the list, as we are focusing on the Wi-Fi camera model. Once you've selected the Smart Camera option, the app may prompt you to reset the camera. However, since this is the first time using it and the blue LED is flashing, there's no need to reset the camera at this moment. Just confirm that the camera's LED is blinking, then click the Next button. You will then see the Wi-Fi signals for your home internet router. Make sure your phone is connected to the same 2.4 GHz network, as the camera only supports that frequency. After selecting your Wi-Fi network, enter the password and click Next to proceed with the camera's network setup. The app will generate a QR code for the Wi-Fi connection. Hold your smartphone so the QR code is visible to the camera lens from a distance of about 10 to 20 centimeters for optimal recognition. The camera will process the QR code, and upon successful recognition, it will provide a voice prompt saying, "Connecting to the Wi-Fi network."
Connecting network.
This confirmation indicates that the camera is in the process of connecting to your home network, setting the stage for the final setup steps. Once you hear the voice prompt from the camera, tap the I heard a prompt button in the app.
Camera online.
This confirmation indicates that the camera is actively connecting to your home network, paving the way for the final setup steps. When the camera successfully connects to your Wi-Fi network, it will announce, the setup was successful. At the same time, the app will notify you that the camera has been added successfully. After receiving this confirmation, click Next to proceed to the next step. Here, you'll have the opportunity to choose a device name that reflects the camera's installation placement. This naming feature is helpful for easily identifying different cameras if you have multiple devices set up in various locations. That's it. Your camera has been successfully configured to connect to Wi-Fi and added to the app. If prompted for a firmware update, be sure to update to the latest version. This process will take a few minutes but is essential for optimal performance. Now you can install the camera in its designated location, which is crucial for effectively monitoring the desired area. Once installed, the camera will become fully operational, allowing you to take advantage of features such as live streaming, enabling you to view real-time footage directly from your smartphone or tablet, no matter where you are. The playback feature provides easy access to previously recorded footage, allowing you to review events that occurred while you were away. Additionally, the PTZ, Pan Tilt Zoom, control gives you the flexibility to remotely adjust the camera's angle To check the recording status of your memory card, navigate to the camera settings in the Wipro Next app and then go to the Storage Settings option. From there, click on Local Storage. If the card appears as uninitialized or shows no free space, select the Format button to format the card for recording. Once the formatting process is successfully completed, the card status will change to In Use, and you'll be able to see its available storage capacity. This step ensures that your memory card is ready for recording, allowing you to capture and store footage seamlessly. Additionally, it's important to verify whether the recording mode is enabled in your camera settings. You can check this under the Recording Settings menu, where you can choose between event-based or continuous recording. Simply click on this option to access the settings, then toggle Local Recording to the On position to ensure that footage is stored on the inserted memory card. Moreover, if you prefer, you can schedule weekly recordings, allowing for automated capture of events or activity during specific times. All these features are easily accessible through the Wipro Next app, which works seamlessly over mobile data or Wi-Fi worldwide. This connectivity allows you to monitor your property in real time, whether you're at home, at work, or traveling. For more detailed information or clarifications on various settings and functionalities, be sure to check out additional segments of this video series, as they will provide comprehensive explanations to help you maximize your Wipro security system. If you found this video useful, we would greatly appreciate your support. Your contributions enable us to create more informative content and continue providing valuable resources to our audience. Whether you choose to like the video, share it with others, or subscribe to our channel, every bit of support truly makes a difference and is greatly appreciated. Thank you for being a part of our community. Your engagement inspires us to keep delivering high-quality content.